the earth it turned by Jah mighty hand. Roots dig deep, them nah go sway. Wisdom sprout like tree where growth is stay. Them say Babylon a whisper lies, but me heart beat strong, me spirit rise. For every tear the rain it fall, Jah guidance make me stand tall. A rootsman prayer, a chant for the soul. A fire in me heart, make the story unfold. Jah light of the way, me nah lose control. A rootsman prayer, are the truth where me hold. Them build them walls, me climb them high. Them spread them traps, me spread me sky. Me trod on the path where righteous walk. Me tongue spit fire, me spirit talk. The lion roar deep in my chest. Me journey long, me soul now rest. For every mountain me conquer climb. A rootsman wisdom make the stars align. A rootsman prayer, a chant for the soul. A fire in me heart, make the story unfold. Jah light of the way, me nah lose control. A rootsman prayer, are the truth where me hold. Jah light up on the mountain night, fi guide me through the stormy sky. Me heart beat like the ancient drum. Rootsman call, the journey come. Rootsman prayer, me chant it loud. Under the stars or under the clouds, Selassie I, my spirit rise. Rootsman prayer, open me eyes. Them say Babylon want take my soul, but my spirit strong. Me nah lose control. The lion sleep, but him watch the night. Me hold my faith, me fight the fight. Hear me cry, Jah, Jah me plead my case. Give me strength in all this rugged space, yeah. Oh, rootsman prayer, me chant it loud. Under the stars or under the clouds, Selassie I, my spirit rise. Rootsman prayer, open me eyes. Rivers run but the roots stay firm. Fire blaze but me nah go burn. Life a test but me pass the grade. Jah me compass, me part him lay. Jah light up on the mountain high, fi guide me through the stormy sky. Me heart beat like the ancient drum. Rootsman call, the journey come. Rootsman prayer, me chant it low. Under the stars or under the clouds, Selassie I, me spirit rise. Rootsman prayer, open me eyes. Them say Babylon want take me soul, but me spirit strong, me nah lose control. The lion sleep, but him watch the night. Me hold me faith, me fight the fight. Hear me cry, Jah me plead me case. Give me strength in a this rugged space. Rootsman prayer, me chant it loud. Under the stars or under the clouds, Selassie I, me spirit rise. Rootsman prayer, see great. Jam my compass, my path him lay. Me say the sunrise, we bless the land. The earth it turned by Jamaican. Roots dig deep, them now go sway. Wisdom sprout like tree where growth is stay. Them say Babylon a whisper lies, but me heart beat strong. Me spirit rise, for every tear the rain it fall. Jah guidance make me stand tall. A rootsman prayer, a chant for the soul. A fire na me heart make the story unfold. Jah light of the way, me nah lose control. A rootsman prayer, the truth where me hold. A rootsman prayer. A rootsman prayer. Them build them walls, me climb them high. Them spread them traps, me spread me sky. Me chart on the path where righteous walk. Me tongue spit fire. Me spirit talk, the lion roar deep in my chest. Me journey long, my soul now rest. For every mountain me conquer climb. A rootsman wisdom make the stars align. A rootsman prayer, a chant for the soul. A fire in me heart make the story unfold. Jah light of the way, me nah lose control. A rootsman prayer, the truth where me hold. A rootsman prayer. A rootsman prayer.